Listen to the sound of that water. (4:30:27) on the 7th of April 2026. The Appalachian Irishman, me and William Farrell, is near the bottom end of the West Trail on House Mountain. I've already hiked up. I'm hiking back out now. No one is around me. I just wanted to catch the refreshing and relaxing sound of that mountain stream. That was from the rain that was overnight Saturday into Resurrection Sunday morning most recently here. People call it Easter Sunday. I call it Resurrection Sunday. That is tranquil. Well, I'll sign off for now. I hope you enjoyed the sounds in this episode.